How to delete My Eyes Only on Snapchat. If you want to get rid of My Eyes Only on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Snapchat app. And now when you're on the main Snap page, just tap on this gallery icon from the bottom left, which will take you to your Memories tab. From here you want to simply look at the top and you can see My Eyes Only. Just go to My Eyes Only, and of course you have to enter your PIN code of the My Eyes of the password you've set. Now here are some of the photos inside My Eyes, and I would like to get rid of it. All I have to do is just long press and select any of the other pictures that I want to delete. Then from the bottom left you can see the option called trash icon that says delete. Tap on delete, it will ask you to remove those snaps. So yes, you can tap on it, and right now you can see I've successfully deleted My Eyes Only on Snapchat. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in our next video.